Yeah, section through kidney. Now, how'd you recognize that it was a kidney? You can see the glomeruli of the nephron right there. The nephron, see all those? And they're only found in what layer? The cortex. So the renal cortex is the only place you find these little glomeruli that are part of the nephrons. What are all the tubes that you can see around those glomeruli?
Renal tubules?
Well, they're part of the renal tubule, but what parts of the renal tubule? Yeah, the convoluted tubules, whether they are proximal or distal, they're going to be found in and around these areas. And then if you go deeper, what are we into now? Now this is the medulla, and what are those kind of parallel running tubes? They would be loops of Henle, either ascending or descending limbs of the loop of Henle, or collecting ducts. And then if you go far enough, you can see down here, what is this right here?
Papilla.
There would be a papilla, and you can see in all likelihood, you see those tubes coming down? They're going to exit right at the tip of that papilla. In fact, isn't that one right there?
Yep.
Looks like it right there, and that would be a collecting duct. That is what, collecting urine from a number of different nephrons and then running it out into, what's this cavity or space right there inside the kidney? That would be the renal pelvis right there, okay? And notice the fat tissue. There's a lot of fat tissue. And my suspicion is this would be the medial depression right there. That would be the Hillis area, right? Even though I won't ask that on this, I'll ask it on the bigger model. But look at all the fat. And then, well, I'll be darned. You know what that is? You know what that is? That's a ureter. And you can see the transitional epithelia lining the inside. That's all transitional epithelia there. So they actually managed to get us a little section through a piece of ureter. Well, I think it's neat. Well, one of the better kidney slides that I've seen, actually. Because look at, you can see the entire medullary layer in the papilla, and then as you go up into the cortex, this would be the outer layer, you can see the glomeruli. Now, if you go up in power a little bit, and you can begin to see the convoluted tubules, both distal and proximal, that encase them or surround them. And then, let me go up one more to this high power. There you go. So right there, you're actually seeing the glomerulus, and then a simple squamous epithelia that encases the glomerulus. What is that? That would be called Bowman's capsule or the glomerular capsule. And as blood pressure forces a fluid across the wall from the plasma, we call that fluid that accumulates here a filtrate. So filtration is the first step in making urine. Okay. And then it passes down through the inside of these tubes that you can see right there. This part of the renal tube. It's not bad.
Will we have to point out renal pyramids and renal columns?
Yeah, but on the models. On the models. Yep. Or on the, I think sometimes I do that on the dissected kidney, because it's easy to see on the dissected kidney. So, and together, the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule together form collectively we refer to it as a renal corpus. It's called a renal corpus. And again, you can see the simple cuboidal epithelia, although I will not ask you that. You learned that